Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix error code 266 on Roblox. So without further ado, let's get started. So guys, usually this issue occurs on Brazilian servers, so chances are high that you are Brazilian if you're experiencing this issue. So what I suggest to do here, if you don't want to get it, you need to use VPN. And what I like to use is private VPN. I believe it costs a few dollars, but I believe there is free versions of VPNs as well, so you just need to look out. And just connect your VPN to a different country, and then it should work for you. But if this is not the issue, I will show you what you need to do here. If you're not Brazilian, I will show you what you need to do here next. First of all, you just need to right view network connections, then select your internet connection, right click on it, go to properties, select Internet Protocol version 4, and then use the following DNS server addresses and write 8.8.8.8 and on alternate 8.8.4.4 and apply the changes. Another thing what you need to do here is to write cmd, right click on it, run as admin, and then you need to write a few commands. First one is ipconfig space /flash DNS. Another command is nesh winsock reset. Then what you need to do here is to go to settings. On settings, you need to go to network and internet, and then you need to look for your network connections, advanced network settings, and then network reset and reset your network. If you're using Wi-Fi, you need to put your Wi-Fi password again, and if you use Ethernet cable, don't worry, you don't need to do nothing. And after that, it should work. So if I help you out, please press like.